got a Mousse collection? Like a Mousse stash, a Mousse? Like, who does that? Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys my Mousse collection. So if you saw my videos that I did a couple months back, I did a week in my natural hair stash for 2020. So that's where I showed y'all all the shampoos, deep conditioners, leave-ins, creams and butters, and gels and custards. Like I showed y'all all the stuff I had in my stash for 2020. Of course, I've purchased more products since then, but that's a whole nother story. But I didn't show y'all my Mousse collection. And the reason why I have a Mousse collection, because I was thinking, who got a Mousse collection? Like a Mousse stash, a Mousse? Like, who does that? But some of them I got like in Curlboxes, some of them I purchased, and I was just kind of going on this whole Mousse kick because I'm like, I'm going to get these rod sets together, and then I'm like, oh, I'm going to start doing wash and goes with the Mousse so it dries fast. So I just went kind of on a little Mousse kick. So I'm going to show y'all what I got, and y'all make sure y'all tell me what I need to go get, okay? Because I still will buy more, okay? All right, first, we're going to talk about the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foamy Mousse. I like this mousse. It has some really, really good hold, and it was just an all-around good mousse. Now, back in the day, I used to use the Lotta Body Setting Lotion for the same type of thing. It was the one, it looked just like this, and you had to dilute it with water and like spray it on your hair and roll your hair up, girl. Curls be set, okay? This did the same thing for me. So this I really liked. It's super affordable. It's less than $5. I would continue to repurchase this and use this. This is the TGIN Honey Whip Hydrating Mousse. I like this mousse. I did a rod set on a Flexi rod set on blown out hair with this, and I really liked it. Like, my curls were soft. I had good hold. It had shine, probably because of the honey or whatever, but I like this mousse. I will continue to use this and repurchase this. This is the TGIN Thermal Multi-Styling Foam. I have not used this, but I heard really good things about it, and I can't wait to use it. Have you guys tried this? Tell me if you guys have tried any of these. This is the Elastic QP Olive and Mango Butter Design Foam. This isn't something I would have bought on my own. This was actually in a Curlbox. But I actually saw my hairstylist using this. So, and she does like a lot of silk presses and stuff. And she also does like a lot of sew-ins and stuff. So I don't know what she uses it for, but she had it on her station. And I was like, well, it can't be trash, so I'm going to keep it and use it eventually. This is the Andraki's Frizz Patrol Setting Mousse. I haven't used this. This was also in a Curlbox, but I have seen some really good results come from this just from watching videos and Instagram. So I'm actually glad I have this, and I do want to use this. This is the Wrap Set Mousse from ORS. I don't see too many people using this or talking about this, so it looks like it would have been something I probably would have picked up back in the day. But it was in a Curlbox, and I got it. I never used it, but I will. We'll check it out. This is the Wrap and Roll by Jane Carter. This one gets a lot of hype, too. They said this is really good. Did I ever use this? No, I did use this. But I don't even know what I used it for, y'all. I can't even remember what I used this for. I ain't even gonna sit here and lie to y'all. But I did use it because it's right here. So I did use it. I don't know what I use it for, but I bought it because it get a lot of hype and people always be talking about how good it is. So, but if it's so good, why I don't remember what I used it for? This is the Mousse Def by The Do. Girl, let me tell you, I gotta tell y'all the story on this one. When this came out, y'all, this got all the hype. They was like, girl, you can do your wash and goes. They gonna be popping. I'm like, what? I'm watching videos, people doing their wash and goes, hair's popping, curls is on, like, I'm like, oh, let me buy two. Girl, I bought two of them. Girl, I tried to do a wash and go. I God, girl, that was a mess, okay? Poofy, big, dry, frizzy, hot ass mess, okay? So I'm like, well, let me do a ride set, okay? Let me do a Flexi ride set. So I did a Flexi ride set. Girl, that thing was dry, okay? And frizzy. It's a mess. I said, okay. I'm going to do a wash and go how they do it, because they do it in the shop. So you got to do your wash and go and then sit under the dryer. So I did that. It was a little better, but it still wasn't nothing that I was going to wear out the house. I'm like, girl. So here I am with bottle number 2. I don't know what I'm going to do. This might have to go in another video that I plan on doing, which is products that I use one time and probably ain't going to touch no more. Even though I use this more than once. I don't know. I don't know, y'all. And y'all love this, though. Y'all love it. Tell me what I'm doing wrong. What am I doing wrong? Because, girl. This is the Argan Oil Cream of Nature foam. This is actually a repurchase. I bought this a long time ago and used it up. And I repurchased this because I need to do the review on a Cream of Nature set that I have. And it didn't have a styler. And I watched a video of somebody that does a lot of bomb perm rod sets. It's De La Soul on YouTube. And she uses this Cream of Nature foaming mousse, and she said this one is better. It has good shine and a lot more moisture. So this is like one of her favorite mousses, so I went and picked this one up. I don't know why Cream of Nature be acting like they don't want to put out no stylers sometimes. Now I got 2. Then we have the African Pride Rosewater and Argan Oil Curl Mousse. And I got this to do the African Pride review, so that will be coming soon. I got the Pink Lemonade and Coconut from the Main Choice. Their mousse, I heard this was really good, had really good hold and really good shine. So I'm excited to use that one. Then we have this Lotta Body Milk and Honey Refine Me. This one came in a Curlbox. I'm hoping that this one is just as good as this one. If so, I'll be happy with that. Then I have the Lemongrass Styling Mousse from Aloe Naturals. I've been wanting to try their mousse because I just love their products anyway. And I wanted to try their mousse to see how that works. We have the Texture Flexing Foam from Afro Sheen. So y'all know this was in a recent video that I did in a recent Curlbox. So this will be coming soon. And I have 2 from Curl. So I have the Blueberry Bliss one, which I just found out this came out not too long ago. But come to find out, I think it came out like in January. I didn't know anything about this. Hadn't seen any videos or anything like this. I just happened to see it on Instagram. So I got this. And this one I heard was good from Curls, their avocado hair mousse. So I just picked up both of these at the same time. So there you go with that. So that is my mousse collection. I wanted to show y'all that since I didn't show y'all that a couple months ago with the week in my stash. So y'all let me know, do y'all have a mousse stash? What's in your mousse stash? What are your favorite mousses? Which ones do I not have that I need to go pick up? So have y'all used any of these products? Do you like them? Are they emptied? Do you repurchase? Let a girl know. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.